Okay, so we have this working C code on the left-hand side here. So we declare a sum variable that starts at 0, and then we enter this loop here. So we get the user to scan in a variable x, just scanned in here, and then this variable gets added to the sum here, which is initially declared at 0. So yeah, this has nothing here, but then the sum gets updated with this total, and then the next time it comes around, this will already have a value in it, and then we just keep the sum grows until it breaks this condition, and then we jump to a print statement here and return. Okay, so I've just copied over this section here and added some comments, but we're going to translate this to MIPS. So we'll start by creating a main here, and then int sum equals 0. To do this, we want to load an immediate value into T0 register, which we haven't used yet, and store the value 1. Cool, so that's all we need to do in the main actually. We're going to create a new section here called loop, and then for this while loop, we want the condition to break if and branch if greater than equal the sum that we just declared, which is in T0. If it's greater than or equal to 42, we want to branch to print, and print will be down here. Okay, so int x and scan, I guess the way I see it is it's sort of done in one step. So we want to load immediate, and we want to pass in a 5, which is for a read int call. So this is read int. Yep, and then we can call syscall here. Then we want to, actually I can put this here. Now we want to store this value in a T temporary register. So we can move V0 into T0. Sorry, this will be T1. So yeah, T0 holds sum, and then T1 will hold x. So here we want to add to the sum. So sum variable, and then we want to add sum with x, just T1. And then this is kind of, we can just jump back to the start of the loop here. Okay, looks pretty good. Just that's syntax error there. So now we just want to print out this statement here. Okay, so let's load immediate into V0, and we want to do 1 for a print int call. This is print int. Cool, so we want to move into the argument register. We want to move sum, which we stored in T0, and then we can run a syscall here. And then, sorry, this will be like this, and then here we want to print the new line character. So we're going to load into the value register, return value register rather, and we want to load call for 11, which is print char. Then, sorry, we can load this new line character straight into the argument register, and then we can run a syscall on here, And then for return 0, we can load v0 with code 0, and then we can jump to the return address here. So this should pass. I'm going to run some tests, and it looks like we passed them all. So this is how to convert, reading in a number and adding it to a sum, but doing this in MIPS.